All right, so I want to walk you through how to add audio to a Google Slides slide. Now, I would not recommend adding music to a Google slide. There are some cases where that makes sense, but if we're doing a presentation, really the only time we're going to be adding audio is if we're playing a short clip or recording that helps the presentation. So I'm going to show you how I did that here. So I just have a slide here, and I actually used the Google AI to add this kind of like speakerphone image thing because I'm going to add a phone call to the slide. And to do it super simple, just go to Insert, and you're going to find Audio right here. And I'm just going to go to Recent. This is an intake sample call, and I'm just going to press Insert. You can see that it is creating the audio here. Move this play button down by the image. I don't want to cover the image up there. So when I hit play, that is going to start the playing. It's actually playing in my headphones. So I'm going to go to slideshow and show you what it looks like. So here, listen to this call. We have the AI generated image, and I'm going to hit this button here. And that's going to start the actual audio recording, and I can pause it as I need to, right? I wish you could hear it because it's in my AirPods. But this audio is now attached to this slide, and you could probably dress this slide up way better than I have here. I just wanted to put something together really quickly to demo. Would I recommend having a 41-minute phone call in a slide? Probably not, especially if you're giving a presentation. But I guess it's not a huge no. But yeah, that's all we got today, man. Oh, actually, no, one more thing. So your audio does have to be in your Google Drive because all of these things do work together. So when you go to the insert, like you saw me do, the audio, I just went to recent because I know it was going to pull up all of the audios that I have here. But if you needed to search for the audio file that is in your drive, you could do that here as well. So that's all we have today, guys. I hope this helps. If it does, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.